Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to delete your Roblox account permanently. So let's get started. First, open Roblox and go to your settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right. You'll notice there's no direct button to delete your account, but don't worry. There's still a way to do it. Go to the Roblox homepage and proceed to the Roblox support page. You can do this by modifying the Roblox URL by replacing home with support. Once there, fill out the form. Enter your username, optionally your first name, email address, and confirm your email. Next, go to the Issue Details section. Under Device, choose your current device. I will select PC. For Help category, scroll down and select I want to delete my account. Then, in the issue description, write a reason why you want to delete account. Click Submit. Roblox may email you with follow-up questions, but by law, they must honor your request. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.